friends. Good luck on your pick 4. Gates open, they're up and racing. Pierce and Fire draws for your lead. Royal G running by Darel Galo. De Arlo Zeniales Len is running by the rail. Next in line, Baby Pot, followed by Dimasalang and Hieroglyphics is running at the tail of the field. Past the 900 meters post, Pierce and Fire in command by about a length and a half. Running by Real Galo, the Arlo, Royal G, sorry outside. Len is racing in fourth with a gap of 8 lengths as they rounded the last 600. Pierce and Fire just in front. Then here comes the favorite, Royal G, now throwing a challenge on the outside as they race at the last 450. Royal G running on the outside. Pierce and Fire fighting back down on the inside. Len moving up by the rail. And down the stretch they come. Pierce and Fire, Royal G. Len down on the inside. Pierce and Fire, Len moving up by the rail. Len with Jeff Sarate takes the lead. And finally, Len, Pierce and Fire, Royal G, Baby Pot. Then comes Senyales, Dimasalang, Galo de Arlo, and Hieroglyphics.
There you are.